Indulging in the serenity of peaceful Burleigh Cove, this elegant home enjoys effortless family living. The home is set well back on a large 802 square metre block, offering superb flexibility throughout. This quality built home embraces its original and contemporary features. Boasting 4 large bedrooms, the main bedroom features a considerably large ensuite. Featuring multiple indoor and outdoor entertaining spaces, you can enjoy the private north-facing garden, perfect for soaking up the sunshine. The striking wall of glass in the main living area offers a glimpse of the private sanctuary beyond. The high ceilings flood this vast space with an abundance of natural light. Ideally situated in a high-quality neighbourhood, this home is only minutes to the ever-popular Burleigh Beach, local parks, Burleigh Waters Library, shopping centres and well-renowned schools like Somerset College and St Andrews College. Marymount College is simply footsteps away from your front door.